Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. A comedian and entrepreneur, Madam Boss, named Tyra Chikoto, got an unexpected marketing boost this week after her daughter Malia advertised the Omari app while playing with her mother's phone. In cute photos shared on social media, Malia is seen smiling in a zebra onesie while holding up an Omari card. The photos have since gone viral, with the fans praising the mother-daughter bond and calling Malia a natural brand ambassador. "I love the bond you have with the babies. Some parents want everything to be serious," commented one user. Another follower, Emelda, wrote, "Banduro of joy, haunosvika pachikamu chekuzorora," while Hilda Maufe added, "Mange muchitamba here dzabu," achitora hake ma-selfie ake. Madam Boss is a brand ambassador of Omari, a digital financial services platform that offers payments, savings, and card solutions. The post shows how the bundle of joy is already helping a mother push the hustle, even in play. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.